Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the plugin is installed as an so Logic can scan it. This matters because Logic only hosts audio units. Next, open your project and select the track you want to process. Once done, go to the inspector, find an empty Audio FX slot, click it, and pick your plugin from the menu. This inserts it on the channel. Make sure to choose the correct input type, because a synth versus an effect requires different slots and routing. Now you configure parameters inside the plugin. Open the GUI and choose a preset to get a reliable starting point, because presets reveal useful signal ranges. Then adjust the plugin order in the channel strip. Order changes tone and dynamics, so move compressors before or after EQ depending on intent. If you need dynamic interaction, set up sidechain input or create an auxiliary send. Finally, automate critical knobs, or map finish by balancing levels and listening in context. Bypass the plugin to hear before and after, because subtle changes can be masked by mix volume. If CPU spikes, freeze or bounce the track to reduce load. If a plugin is missing, go to Logic Pro Preferences Plugin Manager and rescan or reset the cache. This often fixes detection issues. If you still hear artifacts, verify sample rate and buffer size. Mismatch settings can cause clicks and timing errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.